Hello, everyone. This is Professor Dr. Satish Polshettiwar from MIT World Peace University School of Pharmacy, Pune, India. Today, I'm going to give a demonstration on how to create and generate e-certificate, that is we commonly call it digital format certificates, by using Google Classrooms. Now, everyone is using a Google Classroom for engaging your students very effectively by using creating the virtual classroom. Next task would be how one can we can forward the certificates of their works, the results by using their email ID. You can share on WhatsApp, you can share on their social media also. Okay, so then let us discuss about this, how one can generate the e-certificate by using Google Classrooms. So first, one has to open the Gmail ID. Okay, I just share it. Okay, just go to this Google, then you open your Google Classroom over here. I'm using my own account. Go with the docs. Okay, click the docs file. You can directly go to your Google Classrooms, but I'm clicking on docs file because we are creating the quiz through this docs file. Okay, now after clicking this, then click to your forms. Okay, first docs, then forms. After clicking on forms, you'll be getting the different forms. Okay, that you have created for your students, various assessment tests like survey test and all these things. Okay, now this is the form that I have created. Okay, just look at this, any quiz you can conduct. Okay, so I'm taking a blank form. Okay, now you are just planning for conducting any test. Okay, quiz test. Okay, where you are going to give the certificate to them. So what you're supposed to do first, you have to open the untitled forms. Okay, so now you have to create your questionnaire over here. You understood how to create a questionnaire. For example, you are creating here questionnaire quiz test. Okay, here the quiz. Okay, like this descriptions, you can put your college name and all these things. Okay, that you know. So that I am not taking over here. Just I will tell you how to produce this certificates now. Okay, so you are supposed to download the one app that is we called as this add-on e-certify M. So for that you just go to Google and just type certify EM. Okay, this certify EM. Just click on certify EM. So you'll be getting this page. After getting this page, you just take this second one, that is try it now. Okay, certify EM. Just click on try it now. This is the additional feature that you have to link with your Google form. Then and only one can produce certificate. Okay, so this certify EM is very important because normally this feature is not available. Because already I have did this. That's why you could see here these features in my Google Forms. But if you new users, then you have to just install this. Okay, so for that you just click on add-on page. This add-on page is there. Visit the add-on page. You have to click on that. Don't install directly. First click on add-on page. Okay, so like this. After just hitting on this add-on page, they will ask you download it. So now already I have downloaded, so you have to install it. Okay, so this feature will be available. Install it. Now I already installed over here. That's why you could see over here. That's why it will be appear like that, uninstall, because already I have installed over here. Okay, so for new user, you have to just click install. You have to install the new application. Whenever you are clicking on that, okay, it will be directly automatically install over here. And you could see after that this feature over here like this. Okay, this feature is not available normally. Now you could see here 1 2 3, that is a theme feature are there, then preview and setting. So these features we have added, extra we have added just in order to generate the certificates on your Google Forms. Now this is, you are done it, you understood. So just remember certify EM website. Okay, is available on Google. Directly just click on that, you'll be getting that feature over here. Automatically this icon will be appear over here, that you could see here icon. Okay, now before that you just click on this your quiz. You just make your quiz and all these things. Okay, like any quiz you can prepare. Okay, like what is COVID-19 what, like this you can just mention the quiz. Okay, but before that you have to just put your names and all. Okay, you have to just name a participant and all. Okay, before doing this, very important, you go to setting first, make quiz. That is very important. Okay, the option is there, quiz. You have to always make this quiz. So automatically all features will appear over there. This is very, very important before doing that quiz and all. So go to setting and always enable this function, make the quiz, before typing all the questions and all. Now see, automatically the name is appear over here. And then this question will start. Means this is very, very important. Whenever you are clicking on the this blank form, so always go to setting, and from setting, there is 3 options are there. Okay. The different settings are there that already we discussed in my previous Google Classrooms, where you understood each and every parameters. So here the last parameter is very important. Make a quiz, because you are making the multiple choice questions. Okay, so always click on these options. Okay, then make a quiz, then save it. Don't forget to save it. Okay, after that, okay, this is ready. Okay, form is ready. Okay, this you can type the questions, whatever the questions are there. Okay, I'm not telling that part. Only thing is that how to generate certificate now. Now just click over here, add-on page. Certify-M, you have to just click, because I have not still installed. Now you have to enable, okay, because now it is disabled. I have not enabled for this particular quiz. So you have to just enable certify in this quiz. Just click on this. So this window will be appear over here. Now see, get started. Okay, the certify EM is now enabled for using this quiz. Get started now. Just click on get started. After that, you could see here this window, okay, on your right hand sides. Now see, there are multiple features are there. Now the first is status. Now we are still not on this particular certificates. Okay, that I will tell you later how to do that. Okay, now the next part would be a record, certificate records. Okay, so all the certificate record will be maintained in this. If you just click on this particular icon, you'll be getting all the records of certificate whichever we have forwarded. That will be in Excel format, like we did it in Google Classrooms. Everything we can pull it into that MS Excel format. Now passing criteria for this particular quiz, you have to set the passing criteria. Passing criteria is like if it is 50%, 60%, whatever the criteria that you require, that is very, very important. You have to set the criteria. So those students who qualify above 60, they will only, then and only that will get that particular student will get the certificate. Otherwise, the student will not get certificates. Okay, the passing criteria is nothing but the criteria for that particular test limits. Okay, that you can set. Then next option that is very important, that is template. So they have their own templates. Okay, that is by default templates. So if you want your templates, then you can go to custom, use custom templates. If you just click golden template, they have their own template, but that is not useful, because that template is not useful for you. You cannot put your logo and all these things properly. I would suggest use custom template. You design the templates. Okay, so these use this word, use, just click on design templates. Now see, they will ask you whether you have the design templates with you. If it is there, just select the files and just pull over here. Okay, so this is very, very important option. So before that, you just go to this one, go to your Google Forms. Okay, like this, you can create first design. Okay, before putting all these details over here. Okay, so first make the questionnaires, then just add this icon over here. Okay, then this manipulate, that means this setting we can do it later on. First to design your certificate, that is very, very important. How will you design certificate now? Now you understood up till now. For this starting the generating and creating certificate, you require this icon, that is called as this particular option is available, add-on options. For that you can use certify EM. Okay, then this setting we can do it later on. First to design your certificates. So how will you design certificates? For that you to go to your account, your Gmail account, where you are going to use for your like this. Okay, these are your Gmail accounts. Go to slides. Like docs is there, slides are there. That is okay. Slides option there is. So you just go to slides. Now see, I have already designed my certificates for my particular questionnaires. You can design for yourself. I'll show you how I design the certificates. There is multiple options are there. You can choose the different templates as per your needs. Otherwise, you can design your own. Okay, I'll just select this design. I'll show you. This is designs like this. I have designed this. This you can design by using your MS PPT PowerPoints. You can pull over here. You can put all icons, all these details, whatever you requires. Okay. So this is very, very important. Need to understood all these things. Okay, the format you can add over here. Next, very, very important, that is this name. When you're putting this name, okay, so just put the name in this way. Okay, like this format. This is the very, very important format, because otherwise your name will not be appear over here. Okay, whatever the name that you are inserting, that adding by your students in that form, that quiz form, this name, The same name will be appear over here, over here. So for that you have to write like this. Okay, that is 2 paragraph. You all of you understood. Okay, in this format you have to put it. This is very important instruction. If you just forget, if you just write like only full name without this option, okay, like this para, okay, so it won't appear over there then. Okay, like that is very important. Then again, a certificate numbers. For that also you require this, like this icon. Okay, just put the certificate, similar kind of para you have to add over here. Okay, got it? Understood? Then and only this name will be appear directly over here in certificates. Automatically certificate will generate on their email ID. Okay, so I'll show you now. Now see, if I just connect, now see I have opened my this Google form. I have to just connect over here, that is custom size, use custom template. Now I have to click the, because already I have created over there. Now I can directly take it this custom. So this is very important. First you have to make your design over here in the slides, then you can pull it over there. Okay, it's very important. Otherwise you can take this standard format. They have standard formats. Okay, you can take that also, but that is not that much useful. Okay, to you use this template. Now see, I'm using my select new. Okay, I'm selecting new. So how will you select? You can just take it from this. You can pull it like this. I have created many certificate over there. Whatever certificate you require, you just take it over here. Just select over here and take it over here and save changes. Now see, this certificate will be appear over here. Now once the student starting, okay, just attempting all these questions. Okay, once they get score, okay, once they qualify this score, that automatically the certificate will generate on their email ID. Okay, that is the nothing but the your generation of certificates. So you can set the criteria without forgetting. Okay, now see, everything is ready. Now the next option is that advanced option. Click on advanced option over here. The advanced option, you can create some kind of fields. Okay, advanced field, like message. You can type the message to students. What message you are going to? Yeah, thank you for participating exam, like that. Thank you. Thanks for participating. Like that, you can send a message. Okay, automatically this message will appear on their email ID. Thanks for participation. Student will get motivated. Okay, participate. History cards. Take care. Okay, like that you can write. Okay, then allow CCY other identifier fields. Yeah, that is very important because you create some kind of identifier fields over there, like certification number. Each and every certificate will have some unique numbers. Okay, so one can easily identify. Then name of senders. For example, I am the sender name. Dr. Sati. You will understood who has sent the certificate. Subject mail, that is quiz test. Quiz test on what the topic is there. Okay, on pharmacy, like that. Okay. Then content body, like that. Hi, thank you, like that you can write. Okay, what the instructions are there and all further you can put over there. Okay, like this. And BC, if you want your certificate on your email ID also, you can put that email ID. Okay, means if you require that duplicate copy of that certificates on your email ID, that also you can put. Otherwise, keep it blank. Okay. Another option is send email on attempt fail. If the student gets fail, then you can send the email. What email we can send? You can write hard lucks, keep trying, like that you can write. Okay, depending on your, that you can customize. The students are not scoring 60% if you're getting 50%, so they will get another message like that. Okay, so that is also, that option is also available. Not putting that option. Now certificate in which particular format you want, in PDF format, image format, they have different image and PDF. Okay, now I'm giving image. I would suggest give the PDF format. Yeah, image also we can give, no problem, as per your need. Then email, share via email or what, WhatsApp, yeah, Google Drive. You can directly share on that Google Classroom also. I would suggest email, prefer the email. Okay, then save changes. Don't forget to click on save changes. This is the feature available in advanced version. Okay, yeah, the advanced. Now everything is ready. Now I have to link this all settings with this quiz test. Now it is not being linked up till now. Okay, I have to just turn on, click on turn on. Then after turn on, they'll ask you link with the exam. Okay, now let us see. Yeah, link to exam. Okay, this is the option. Now still it is not been linked with this quiz. Now I have to click over link to exam. Now it is being linked. Okay, you can just check it before sending to students. You can check first. Okay, just confirm it whether you are getting that certificate properly or not. Like I'm putting my name over here, whether that, because you are selected that CC, that is copy, that duplicate copy will be getting over here. Okay, the option is, for example, this. Okay, you're not set the paper over here exactly. I'll just okay, this is the, just set the questions over here. Okay. It's very important. So now it has been linked. Okay, now just you have to just click on correct answer. Okay, so correct is Iris. Okay, got it, done. The marks you can give 1 mark, 100%. It is likewise, you can just make the questionnaires over here. Okay, then characterize 60%. Once the student gets 60%, then and only they will get marks. Okay, got it. This is the things. Then again check the setting whether it is done properly or not. Collect email address, yeah, very important. Limit to 1 response always, so student will not use another mail ID. It after submitting, that is depends on you how you are going to set this, all these settings. Show progress bar, if you want to show progress bar you can show. If you want to shuffle the questions, you can just click, because already there is only one question, so shuffling is not required. Then confirmation message, once they attempt all the questions, so what message you want to send them, that confirmation message will be here. You can customize as per your need. Then quiz, make the quiz, already we did that things. Okay, this option available in my, because I have a G Suite account, that's why you could see over here. Okay, then if you want to release the grade immediately, yeah, after, that is depends on you. I am just setting immediately after each exam, each submission. Then respondent can see missed question, correct answer, point value. Depends on you what you want to. Okay, if you don't want to show the marks to students, don't want to show the correct answer, don't want to show their points, you can release manually later on. That option also available. Depends on you. Okay, now I'm putting everything is on. Just save it. Don't forget to save. Now everything is ready. Now next part would be you have to send this. Before that sending, always check. Yeah, this, just click on that, whether certificate is linked with this or not. Now link certification is on. Okay, now it is already linked. If the options appear, means it is already linked with this particular exam. Got it? Now if you want to turn off, you can turn off also anytime, any moments. Now everything is ready. Okay, I'll just check it with link with exam, whether it is linked or not. Yeah, it is linked. Now I'm putting my name. Just check it whether this be creating certificates or not. Click over here and send me copy of response if you want. That's option is there. Then submit. Now see, I'll just score. See my score over here. Yeah, I have 100% score is there. Now if I check my email ID, now I'll go to my email ID whether certificate is there or not. Okay. Yeah, this is the certificates, but now I'll check it my email ID. Okay, I'll just. So you have to ask your students also. You can also get the copy, duplicate copy on your email ID. You can confirm whether the students have received the copy or not. You'll be also getting one CC on your, because you have set that parameter over here. Okay. Now see, you could see over here. Okay, certificate is I received. This is the mail I have received because I have added like this automatic message. Okay, like this. Now you could see here the certificates over here. This is the certificate. Now see the name is appear over here. Got it? This is the way how we can generate certificates. Now it is a digital certificate, so no signature required. That also you can mention. Even you can add a signature over here. Okay, you can pull the signature over here. You can add it. That you can design as per your needs. I hope you must have understood how to generate the certificates. Very simple. Only thing is that you need that E-Certify-EM certificate, that Certify-EM software. Okay, that you have to add on your Google form. I hope you understood. Thank you very much for listening to me.